Hello, dear friends. Today, our topic is here we shall study how to solve the problems based on integration of modulus of trigonometric functions. We shall discuss total 10 questions which are displayed on your screen, and you will see how the result, how they can be solved in very short time. First of all, I'm going to solve them one by one. Then you will solve them yourself. Let us proceed. So, dear friends, first of all, I welcome you all in Om Maths Corner. We have seen a total of 10 questions. Out of those, the answer to the first question, what is integration of sine of x dx? This is minus cos of x plus c. In no time, every student can solve this question. Similarly, the other questions, integration 0 to pi modulus of cos of x dx, integration 0 to pi modulus of sine of x, integration 0 to 7 pi modulus of cos x, integration 78 pi to 103 pi modulus of cos x dx. Sixth question, pi to 100 pi of modulus of sine of x dx, 0 to 203 pi modulus of sine of x plus modulus of cos of x, 0 to 5 pi upon 4 modulus of cos x dx, 0 to 16 pi upon 3 modulus of sin x dx. Last question, 3 pi by 4 to 16 pi upon 3 modulus of sine of x dx. So let us discuss them one by one. The second part, 0 to pi modulus of cos of x dx. The value of this is 2. Dear friends, as long as I have solved this question after watching my full video, you will be able to solve. Likewise, you will take no time to solve these questions. So let us see what is the answer to the third question. Our third question, 0 to pi modulus of sin x dx. This is also the value of this function is also 2. Now, what is the answer to this question? 0 to 7 pi, that of modulus of cos of x dx. Its answer is 14. Now, let us see, proceed to the question number 5. Integration from 78 pi to 103 pi, that of modulus of cos of x. The answer is 50. 50. मैं फिर से आपको याद दिलवाना चाहूँगा कि जब आप पूरा वीडियो देखोगे तो जितना जल्दी मैं यहाँ पर 50 लिख रहा हूँ, आप भी इतना ही जल्दी 50 लिखने के काबिल हो जाएंगे। देखते हैं अगला क्वेश्चन, पाई टू 100 पाई modulus of sin of x dx. The answer is 198. Next question is 0 to 203 pi. This is the sum of two modulus functions. They are sine of x, cos of x. Answer is 812. Next is 0 to 5 pi upon 4 mod of cos of x dx. Its answer is 2 plus 1 upon square root of 2. Next question, 0 to 16 pi upon 3 modulus of sine of x dx is 21 upon 2. Our last question is modulus sine of x, and lower limit is 3 pi upon 4, upper limit is 16 pi upon 3. answer will be 21 upon 2 minus 2 minus 1 upon square root 2. So dear friends, let us see how these results are obtained one by one. Very short tricks. First of all, we shall learn what is integration. Dear friends, integration is the antiderivative process. So this is the symbol which is used for integration, and this can also be written as 1 upon d, and d mean derivative of any function with respect to x or any other variable. D dx is just the operator. We can name this as d. My dear friends, what is the fundamental rule of x raised to power n dx? Suppose this is the algebraic function and its exponent is n. Now, how to find the integration of this type of function? The power is increased by 1 and same exponent is written in the denominator, x raised to power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and this is called c. C means the constant of integration. Whenever this c is present, this type of integration is called indefinite integrals. Next part, if we take the limits, this is 2, this is 5. 2 is called lower limit, 5 is called upper limit. 2 to 5 x raised to power n dx. This is again the same result. We eliminate c and we put the limits, lower limit, this is upper limit. How to solve this, how to proceed further? First of all, we take the value x is equal to 3, then we put minus sign, then we take the value x is equal to 2, then result is obtained. This is without this constant of integration, and this process of finding the integration is called definite integral. My dear friends, sine of x, this is the trigonometric function, and its integration is minus cos of x plus c in case of indefinite integral. Likewise, this is the integration of cos of x, which is equal to sine of x plus c in case of indefinite integral. But if we put these limits, this is lower limit and this is upper limit, then same result without this c, we put the value lower limit and upper limit. So how to proceed? First of all, in place of x, we put b, then this is minus sign. Thereafter, we put a in place of x. Then solving this, that this is the result. This whole is called definite integral. Now, similarly, this integration of cos of x, whenever lower limit is c and upper limit is g, this is sine of x, and putting these values, sine of d minus sine of c. Now, my dear friends, let us proceed. What is our question number second? The question number second is modulus of cos of x, and this is the 0, this is pi, lower limit and upper limit. So first of all, removing this modulus sign. How? Modulus sign mean 0 to pi by 2. The graph of cosine x is above x axis. So whenever we remove this modulus sign, up above the x-axis, that is from 0 to pi upon 2, this will take positive value, so this is plus cos x. But after pi by 2 to pi, the graph is below the x-axis, so this negative sign will be inserted here. Now, what is the integration of cosine of x, as this is studied in previous pages? So sine of x, lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2. Minus sign, this is outside taken. And what is integration of cos of x? This is sine of x, Again here lower limit is pi upon 2, upper limit is pi. Now substituting this upper limit, thereafter minus lower limit in the second part also, sine of pi, that is upper limit minus sine of pi upon 2, this is the lower limit. So solving this, sine pi upon 2 is 1, sine 0 is 0, minus as it is sine pi is 0, sine pi upon 2 is 1. This is minus 1 now, minus into minus plus 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So ultimately we find 0 to pi modulus of cos of x, answer is 2. Now dear friends, let us proceed further. Third question is, what is the integration 0 to pi modulus of sine of x? So first of all, what is the graph of sine of x from 0 to pi? 0 to pi, at 0 this is 0, at pi by 2 sine graph is sine of x is 1, and at pi sine pi is 0. So 0 to pi, this is above x-axis, so everywhere this is positive, so modulus of sine of x, this is plus sine of x. And what is the integration of sine of x? This is minus cosine of x. Now taking this 0 as lower limit, pi as upper limit, minus of cosine of pi minus cosine of 0, this is minus outside, minus cos pi mean minus 1, this is minus cos 0 is also minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 into minus in outside, this is plus 2. So in both the cases we have seen here 0 to pi modulus of sine of x, the answer is 2, as well as in the previous question we have seen modulus of cosine of x 0 to pi, the answer is 2. So these are the two results which will be very useful and will be used in other questions which you have seen, question number 1 to question number 10. So my dear friends, our next question, question number 4 is, what is integration 0 to 7 pi modulus of cos of x dx? Because 0 to pi cos of x dx, this is equal to 2, as this is seen in previous page in question number 2. So 7 pi, here 0 to 7 pi, 7 pi, just put here pi is equal to 2, the result is 7 into 2, 14. So this way, this is the short trick whenever you are going to solve the multiple choice questions, then this trick is very useful, it will save your time. So dear friends, if you like the video, you please subscribe the channel and share to your friends. Now let us proceed to the next question. Our next question number 5, this is 78 pi to 103 pi modulus of cos of x dx. As we have seen that after solving the integration, what we do, just we take upper limit minus lower limit. 103 pi is the upper limit minus 78 pi is the lower limit. Subtracting these two, answer is 25. Here pi, we take the value of this pi as 2, as we have solved in the previous question. So 725 into pi mean 25 into 2, the result is 50. That's why I wrote the answer by taking no time. This is the answer to our question number 5. Now let us see what is the result of question number 6. My dear friends, our next question is pi to 100 pi modulus of sine of x dx. Here once again upper limit is 100 pi, lower limit is pi. So their subtraction, this is 99 pi. So 99 into pi, the value of pi is 2, as this is seen. So 99 into 2 is equal to 198. This is the result. Fantastic, very easy. This will take no time to solve the questions, multiple choice questions. Now, what is question number 7? Our question number 7, this is the addition of two modulus functions, 0 to 203 pi sine of x plus cosine of x, its modulus. So first of all, similarly we are proceeding. 203 pi is minus 0. This is 203 into pi. We are taking the value of pi 2. This is equal to 406. This is only for modulus of sine x. But likewise, this is cos of x, modulus of cos of x. This will also take the same value. That means 406 plus 406, so answer is 812. Now our next question is, what is the integration of 0 to 5 pi upon 4 modulus of cos x? Mean to say here now, this is not likewise 2 pi, 3 pi, 8 pi, 103 pi. This is in the fraction form. So what we do in fraction? 5 pi by 4 mean pi plus pi by 4. Here pi mean 2. Now this is pi by 4. Just we put cos pi by 4. What is cos pi by 4? This is 1 upon square root 2. So if we put this value here, this is the final result. So there is no problem whether the limits are in integral form or non-integral form. Solving these questions, these trigonometric questions, the modulus of trigonometric functions, the solution is very easy. The short trick is very easy. Now what is our next question? Question number 9 is here. 0 to 16 pi upon 3. Again, this is the example where the upper limit is not in integral form. So what we do here, 16 pi upon 3, by dividing this we have 5 pi plus pi upon 3. Again we put what is pi by 3, sine pi by 3, this is 1 upon 2. So 5 pi plus pi by 3, that means 5 into 2 plus 1 upon 2. So this is equal to 10 plus 1 upon 2, 21 upon 2 is the last result. 0 to pi upon 3 modulus of sine of x dx, this is answer is 2. Now my dear friends, proceeding towards the next question, which is the last question of the day. This is very important question, question number 10. This is the question. Here lower limit 3 pi upon 4, upper limit 16 pi upon 3. So as in the previous question, 16 pi upon 3, this is 5 pi plus pi upon 3. Answer is 21 upon 2. Likewise, for the lower limit 3 pi upon 4, this is pi minus pi upon 4. So what we do here, pi mean 2, pi by 4 mean 1 upon square root of 2. So what we do, upper limit minus lower limit. Solution obtained by upper limit is 21 upon 2. That of lower limit is this minus this. And solving this, we have final answer 17 plus square root of 2 upon 2 is the final answer. Dear friends, thanks for watching. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share to your friends. You can also press your like button. So thank you once again. Thank you for watching.